So hello guys, today we will know how to add a cut in the wall in React 3 Fiber by using the React 3 CSG. CSG is the library which we are using to add a cut in the wall. Also we will discuss how to add a 3D model of window in the inside the wall. Okay, so here we have the basic code in the React 3 Fiber. Here is the canvas and experience.js and import 3 WebView. Basically 3 WebView is used to increase the performance. So here is the basic cube code in the React 3 Fiber. Here we are importing environments and controls from React 3 tree, and we created a function. Also we created orbit controls for the movement of our camera, and we have a simple mesh with position and box geometry. Also we have grid helper. Grid fold we will convert it into a wall in which we will add a hole one. We will change its arcs. So here is our wall. We will decrease its width like 0.5. We will use 0.2. okay, you can more decrease if you want. So we need a color on our wall, so we will use mesh standard material for using color. Here is our, we are using orange color. Okay, so now we will create another box. We will copy it, paste it, and change its arc by default 1 1 and also z 1. So here is a cube inside our wall, so we will create a hole in it. For this we will use the GitHub 3 BVH CSG. Basically it's a Three.js library which will use for creating a cut or hole in the geometry like this. It's an experimental improve in our code. So we want the geometry base and subtraction. Addition we didn't want, we will use subtraction only. Also reverse subtraction and string difference we didn't need. Okay, I will expand it little bit. Okay, now we can see clearly. So here we will create a geometry. First of all, let it go, paste it here. We will create a geometry. Geometry will work like a group in which we add our separate parts of code like cube and our wall. So here is base. Base is used for where we will add the cut on our object. Like I want to add a cut on our wall, so I will put the wall geometry inside the base, and other side we will use subtraction, and in the subtraction we will put the geometry, wrap the geometry inside the mesh, so it will work like mesh geometry. Okay, so we will arrange the code. So here is our geometry and base section, also subtract section. Okay, so check it in our code. So you can see here is the cut in our wall already created. Okay, you can see how it's working, like how cube cutting it. So for this we will use attribute of show. I want to place a window inside the wall, so I will use the Polyheaven, the PolyPizza website. Polyheaven is used for the textures HDRI, but we will need a model. I will do a window model from the PolyPizza website. So here you can see every type of model. I will select this model, simply click it and download it. Okay, it will download the code, the model in the GLB file. Download it in GLB. Okay, the model is downloading. Simply copy it and paste in our public folder where we are coding. Okay, now for the model importation I will use the GLTF from D. GLTF from D. Here is our tag of GLTF, and in it we will place the location where we put our GLB file, window.glb. Why our material is not working? x, y and the z axis for it. One we go. Okay, now we will four is perfect. Yes, now our window is perfectly placed in the wall. So here is, we are using the React 3 CSG library for adding a cut hole in our 3D geometry.